Hey guys, BigT Trades here, and today I would like to show you how I took this trade on Friday on the NASDAQ. I used ICT concepts to take this trade, and I'll basically just tell you what I thought during this day and what made me take this trade. So let's get straight into it. And now we are on the 8:30 open here, and I was just looking for some daily buys to start off the day. And as you can see, we have been moving up quite a bit and for quite a while. So I knew that I would be looking for longs today, but I didn't know when and where I would look. It was also in news every day, so I didn't trade during the news, I traded afterwards. But firstly, I looked at this high as a target for the market to go to, and we also had some lows down here, which we also could go to, but I didn't think it was quite likely to go down here. So I just looked at these levels right here, and I marked them out at the 15-minute time frame because it's easier to identify the lows like this. And then I started to look for longs and look for a good setup. So we had news coming out, and I didn't want to trade during the news, so I waited till afterwards. So I would just like to see what the news bring. And as you can see right here, we got this huge push up from 9:30. And then I would be looking for some longs, but I couldn't catch this as it was during the news. So I would look for a retracement up here and then take a long. So what I did was to drop down to the 1 minute time frame, and then I would look for the retracement down to an area like this or something, and then I would look for a long. So let's play forward and see what the market did. It went up quite a bit and had a bit of a retracement here, but not really. And then we saw a huge displacement here down to this high we had earlier, marked out here. So then I knew I could be looking for a long maybe if we saw a market structure shift on the 1 minute time frame, and then a fair value gap I could enter from. So let's see if we get a market structure shift and a fair value gap. And now we broke below here. Basically here, now we see that we take out some of the highs right here, and then I could look for an entry at the fair value gap right here, for example. And as you can see, if we made our entry right here, I think I made it at 58. I just took it from, I think I took it right here. So when we broke all of these right here, you can see we broke them right here, and then we had a retracement down to this fair value gap and filled it. And I put my stop loss like 15 pips, so I could lose like, I think it was $30. And then I would be looking to target some of the highs here, but I actually, oh, wait a second. I actually targeted this right here. I thought that was a good area of liquidity, so that was my target. It was a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade where I could make around $80 to $100. I would take partials along the way too, which I also did. So I think I made around like $80 on this trade. So let's play it and see what it did. You can see it smashed straight through this take profit here, and I made $80 on this move. And it was just a quick little scalp for me. I didn't actually do very much this day because of all the news, but I saw this as a perfect opportunity because we now have seen the market have a willingness to push higher, but at some point the market has to retrace. It can't just keep going up to like here. I knew it was going to retrace, but I didn't know when. And when I saw the retracement stopped on the 1 minute time frame and we had a market structure shift right here, then I looked for my entry at the fair value gap right here, and I had a tight stop loss of around 15 pips. And yeah, I take profit of a risk to reward ratio of 3. If I actually put it a bit higher, I might take profit. I could also have made some very decent profit if I took this high, but I just wanted to keep it safe and go for this level here on the fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame. And the other block we had over here, it could affect something and we could have gone down again, but I knew it was quite a good trade because we now seen this retracement and we were in a quite bullish market where the market was getting higher all the time. So let's see what the market did afterwards. And boom, we would have hit this target as well. And I actually think it went up to like 250 before it retraced again. Yeah, it went up here, 250. But I don't want to trade at these times because it's so late in the market. So I only took this trade this day and made around $80. Yeah, I hope you learned something from this video and you understood the meaning of this video. It was basically to look for a retracement to enter from when we were in a bullish market, and then we used the fair value gap to enter from on the 1 minute time frame, and yeah, we made some quite good profit. So I would like to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment if you thought this video was useful. It was BigT Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.